Hello friends, an eye-catching, twisting and reflective sculpture installed in 2014, located in a busy shopping area of Prague. It's quite surprised when the new sculpture depicting Franz Kafka was revealed in the city center and knew from the start that this piece of art will be something a little bit different from what would you normally expect from a statue in a historical part of Prague. The statue is very modern, made of steel, and most importantly, it's moving, rotating, and changing. The sculpture is an amazing feat of technology and design created by Czech artist David Sendry. The monumental sculpture, which is known as either Head of Franz Kafka or Statue of Kafka, is comprised of 42 plates of stainless steel, which turn and rotate continually, transforming the reflective sculpture. When all 42 of moving panel aligns, the steel plates form the face of famous personality Franz Kafka. Actually, Franz Kafka was a famous writer, which born in Prague in Old Town in 1883 and is considered one of the greatest and most influential authors of the 20th century. The kinetic sculpture is 11 meters tall and weighs in at some 45 tons. It is made of 42 individual rotating plates of stainless steel, 38 of which move in horizontal circles, make up the giant face. Each layer is mechanized and rotates individually. These 42 layers and built-in motors ensure that the statue is constantly rotating, stopping for only a brief moment to start moving once again to create the face. The statue is a marvel of modern technology, driven by a motor and a kilometer of cables which rotate independently of one another. The statue is a technical marvel of the 21st century because it is also very different from others we have seen around Europe. Also, it's a public art, therefore everyone can see it. There is no entrance fee. It has a brilliant, smart, shiny design, and we must admit that it is really cool. That's all about my today's video, and if it is your first time here, please consider following or subscribing more videos like these. I will see you again very soon. Till that, take care, bye bye, and thanks a lot.